was a teenage anarchist looking for revolution. I had the style, I had the ambition, read all the authors, I knew the right slogans. There was a war, but the class war, I was ready to set the world on fire. I was a teenage anarchist looking for revolution.